students, today we study lesson 10 microbes in human welfare, class 12 biology. This is very important lesson and many of the topics have been asked so many times in the board examination. So let us we go through this lesson. In this lesson today we discuss the microbes in household and industrial products. How does the microbes play an important role in household products and industrial products? As you know that microbes play an important role in the life of the human beings also, because a lot of industries are totally depend on the microbes, just like the beverage industries and so many bakery industries, etc. Now, introduction of the lesson. Microbes play an important role in biological system of on this earth, present everywhere. That is, they are cosmopolitan in distribution. The term cosmopolitan is used whenever the organism occur everywhere. That is, like in soil, air, water, in the body of living beings. As we know that many of the microbes spread a lot of disease in the body of living beings. In thermal vents, they can bear the temperature up to 100 degrees Celsius, as the Thermus aquaticus bacterium present in the hot water spring, and it can remain live at 100 degrees Celsius temperature. In deep under snow, in highly acidic environment, as well as they includes protozoans, bacteria, fungi, viruses, viroids and prions. All these are the microbes. First of all, the first topic here we discuss the microbes in household products. So go through this one by one. First of all, LAB, lactic acid bacteria like lactobacillus. It grow in milk and convert the milk into curd. जो दूध से दही के बनाने का काम करता है. This work is done by a bacterium lactobacillus. Lactobacillus bacteria produced acids that coagulate the coagulate and partially digest the milk protein. The milk protein casein is coagulated by this bacterium. Hence, milk converted into curd. वो curd में convert हो जाता है. Now, a small amount of the curd added to the fresh milk as inoculum or starter. जिसे हम घर में जामन के नाम से जानते हैं, ना. थोड़ा सा जामन लेकर दूध में हल्का सा गर्म करके टेम्परेचर 25 to 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर पे उसे डालते हैं और वो प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो जाती है, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कर्ड फ्रॉम मिल्क. नाउ दिस स्टार्टर कंटेन्स मिलियंस ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. लैक्टिक एसिड बैक्टीरिया इंक्रीज द न्यूट्रिशन क्वालिटी ऑफ द कर्ड by adding vitamin B12 in this. You can say that the curd also consisting of vitamin B12. इसको कौन फॉर्म करता है? लैक्टिक एसिड बैक्टीरिया. लैक्टिक एसिड बैक्टीरिया also checks the harmful microbes in the stomach, in the human body. जो माइक्रोब्स हार्मफुल माइक्रोब्स होते हैं बॉडी में, बैक्टीरिया, उनको भी ये रिमूव करने का काम करता है बैक्टीरिया. So this is very beneficial for us. Now baker's yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It is known as baker's yeast. It is used for making dough forming breads and cakes. जो आपके बेकरी जो इंडस्ट्री होती है वहां पर ब्रेड्स और केक्स बनाने के लिए यूज करते हैं Saccharomyces cerevisiae. ये उसमें डफ एक तरह से खमीर बनाने का काम करते हैं. A number of traditional drinks like toddy. This is very important one mark question. Toddy. It is the traditional South Indian drink. It is obtained by the fermenting palm sap. जो palm tree होते हैं उनका जो sap होता है, उनका रस निकाला जाता है, उससे बनाई जाती है आपकी toddy by the process of fermentation. Next is the microbes are also used to ferment the fish, soybean and bamboo shoots to make the food. जो processing food process होती है उसमें microbes का ही इस्तेमाल होता है. Next is the large holes in the Swiss cheese. One mark, very important question. The large holes in the Swiss cheese are due to the production of the large amount of the carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide produced by the bacterium, that is Propionibacterium shermani. This is one mark most important question. This question have been asked so many times in the board examinations. Which microbe is responsible to form the large holes in the Swiss cheese? The answer is the Propionibacterium shermani. This bacteria produces a large amount of the carbon dioxide, due to which the large hole in the cheese are formed. The Roquefort cheese is ripened by the growing a special kind of fungi on them, which give a particular flavor to the Roquefort cheese. Now, second is the microbes in industrial products. How do the microbes play an important role to form the valuable industrial products? Number one, fermented beverage, that is the yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae also. It is also known as brewer's yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae आपने यहाँ भी देखा था. Baker's yeast और brewer's yeast दोनों एक ही काम करते हैं. Brewer's yeast is used for fermented beverage and fermented malted cereals and fruit juice to produce ethanol. We can say that the fermentation in the fermented malted cereals and fruit juice is used for the formation of ethanol. Wine and beer, also very important. Wine and beer are produced without distillation, while the whiskey, brandy and rum are produced by distillation of the fermented broth. Broth is formed from which the distillation, takes place. So this is very important one. Go through this again. Wine and beer are produced without distillation, while the whiskey, brandy and rum are produced by the distillation process from the broth, from the fermentation of broth. Next is the antibiotics, very important. In Greek, anti means against, bio means life. That is, these are the chemical substances which are the against the life of the microbes only. But in the case of the human beings, they are pro-life. ये life जीवन देने वाले होते हैं, न कि लेने वाले. And not against the life. Now, antibiotics are the chemical substances. This is the definition of antibiotics. So these are the chemical substances which produced by the microbes and kill or retard or check the growth of other disease causing microbes. So these are the chemical substances which are extracted from the microbes and check the growth of other disease causing microbes. Now, penicillin was the first antibiotics. It is obtained from the fungus Penicillium notatum. This is also one mark important question. Penicillin obtained from Penicillium notatum fungus. It is discovered by Alexander Fleming. One mark important question. So penicillin was discovered by the Alexander Fleming and it is obtained from the Penicillium notatum fungus. Now, the full potential of penicillin as an effective antibiotic, another important question, was established by Ernest Chain and Howard Florey. One mark important question. The full potential of the penicillin was observed by Ernest Chain and Howard Florey. And this is the very important antibiotic which is used to heal the wounds of the soldiers which are wounded in the during Second World War. तो Second World War के समय this antibiotic play an important role, है ना. जो रोगी थे उस समय, जो एक तरह के जो सुरक्षा कर्मी और जो सोल्जर्स घायल हुए थे, उनको घाव को भरने के लिए दिस एंटीबायोटिक ने एक बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया था. इसीलिए उन्हें नोबेल अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग गॉट द नोबेल प्राइज आल्सो. नाउ antibiotics are frequently used to prevent the deadly disease like the plague, whooping cough, diphtheria, leprosy, etc. Today we can't imagine a world without antibiotics. It means बिना antibiotics के life, जो आज की तारीख में life संभव नहीं है. A lot of disease is controlled and prevented by these antibiotics. So this is all about the microbes in household products and microbes in industrial products. If you enjoy this video, you can like, share and subscribe it. Thank you and have a good day.